Current prices per opening for residential work in Chicago are as follows. For window replacement, expect a price range of $500 to $1,200 per window. Door replacement ranges from $800 to $1,800 per door. Bay window installations typically cost between $1,500 and $3,000 per bay. Sliding glass door installations range from $1,000 to $2,500 per door. Skylight installations can cost between $1,200 and $3,000 per skylight. French door installations range from $1,500 to $3,500 per door. Garden windows usually cost between $800 and $1,500 per window. Egress windows range from $1,000 to $2,000 per window. Picture windows are typically priced between $400 and $800 per window. Several factors influence these prices. Firstly, the type of material used, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, significantly impacts the overall cost. Secondly, the size of the opening plays a crucial role, as larger openings require more materials and labor. Labor costs, influenced by the complexity and duration of the job, are another essential factor. The complexity of the installation, including any necessary modifications or structural work, affects the price. Permits required by local building codes add to the overall expense. Location, with downtown areas often having higher prices than suburbs, also contributes to the cost. When estimating prices, consider these tips. Firstly, gather detailed measurements of each opening. Secondly, contact multiple contractors for quotes and compare their prices carefully. Thirdly, consider the cost of materials and labor separately to get a clear picture of the expenses. Be aware of any additional costs, such as permits or warranty fees. Additional considerations include Chicago's strict building codes and regulations, which necessitate hiring a licensed and insured contractor. Prices may also vary depending on the time of year and the availability of materials. It's always advisable to obtain a written contract before commencing any work to ensure clarity and protect all parties involved. Type of material selected is one of the main considerations that will change the price that you pay. Vinyl windows are generally more affordable than wood or fiberglass windows, but they may not offer the same level of durability or aesthetic appeal. Wood windows provide a classic look and excellent insulation, but they require more maintenance and are typically more expensive. Fiberglass windows are highly durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance, but they can be the most expensive option. The size of the opening directly affects the amount of material needed and the labor involved. Larger openings require more extensive framing and support, increasing the overall cost. Custom-sized windows or doors may also incur additional charges compared to standard sizes. Labor costs can vary significantly depending on the contractor's experience, expertise, and overhead expenses. Complex installations that involve structural modifications, such as reframing or relocating electrical wiring, will typically require more labor hours and specialized skills, resulting in higher costs. Obtaining multiple quotes from different contractors allows you to compare their labor rates and assess the value they offer. The complexity of the installation is another crucial factor to consider. Simple replacements that involve removing an existing window or door and installing a new one in its place will generally be less expensive than more complex installations that require significant modifications to the surrounding structure. For example, expanding an existing window opening or converting a standard door into a sliding glass door will involve additional work and may require the expertise of a structural engineer. Permits are often required for window and door replacement projects, especially in densely populated areas like downtown Chicago. The cost of permits can vary depending on the scope of the project and the local building codes. It's essential to factor in the cost of permits when estimating prices to avoid any unexpected expenses. Your location within the Chicago metropolitan area can also affect the price of residential opening installations. Contractors in downtown Chicago may charge higher rates due to increased overhead costs such as rent and insurance. Suburban areas may offer more competitive pricing due to lower overhead expenses and greater availability of contractors. When gathering detailed measurements of the openings, be sure to measure both the width and height of the existing window or door frame. Accurate measurements are crucial for ordering the correct size replacement units and ensuring a proper fit. If you're unsure how to take accurate measurements, it's best to consult with a professional contractor. Contacting multiple contractors for quotes allows you to compare their prices, services, and expertise. Be sure to provide each contractor with the same detailed information about your project to ensure accurate and comparable quotes. Ask each contractor about their experience, licensing, insurance, and warranty policies. Separating the cost of materials and labor provides a clearer understanding of the expenses involved in your project. This breakdown allows you to compare the material costs offered by different suppliers and the labor rates charged by different contractors. It also helps you identify any potential areas where you can save money, such as by purchasing materials yourself or performing some of the less complex tasks. Be aware of any additional costs, such as permits, warranty fees, disposal fees, or travel expenses. These costs can add up quickly and should be factored into your overall budget. Always ask contractors for a detailed breakdown of all costs involved in the project. Chicago's strict building codes and regulations are designed to ensure the safety and quality of construction projects. Hiring a licensed and insured contractor is essential to ensure that your project complies with all applicable codes and regulations. A licensed contractor has demonstrated the necessary knowledge, skills, and experience to perform the work safely and effectively. Insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damages that may occur during the project. Prices for residential opening installations may vary depending on the time of year and the availability of materials. Demand for these services tends to be higher during the spring and summer months, which can lead to increased prices and longer lead times. Material prices may also fluctuate depending on market conditions and supply chain disruptions. Planning your project during the off-season or ordering materials well in advance can help you save money and avoid delays. Obtaining a written contract before commencing any work is crucial for protecting your interests and ensuring that all parties are on the same page. The contract should clearly outline the scope of the work, the materials to be used, the price, the payment schedule, and the warranty terms. Review the contract carefully and ask any questions before signing it. It is also wise to check and verify if the contractor has included a mechanics lien waiver to ensure that subcontractors are paid and cannot later claim ownership. Also remember to ask if there is any sort of reimbursement or payment plan if the job is not to satisfaction or if the work is not up to local building code. Finally, make sure that the dates on the contract are correct. When discussing specific types of windows, consider the following. Double-hung windows feature two sashes that slide vertically, allowing for ventilation from both the top and bottom. They are a popular choice for their classic style and ease of cleaning. Casement windows are hinged on the side and swing outward, providing excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Awning windows are hinged at the top and swing outward, providing ventilation even during rain. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that offer expansive views and let in plenty of natural light. Bay windows are a combination of three or more windows that project outward from the wall, creating a small alcove or seating area. Sliding windows feature two sashes that slide horizontally, making them a good choice for spaces where a swinging window would be impractical. When discussing doors, the different types of doors have their own features. Entry doors are typically made of wood, steel, or fiberglass and provide security, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. Sliding glass doors feature two or more glass panels that slide horizontally, providing access to patios, decks, or balconies. French doors are double doors that swing inward or outward, adding elegance and charm to any room. Patio doors are similar to sliding glass doors but may also include hinged doors. Storm doors are installed on the exterior of entry doors to provide additional protection from the elements. Screen doors allow for ventilation while keeping insects out. When dealing with skylights, there are also types to consider. Fixed skylights do not open and are designed to provide natural light. Ventilating skylights can be opened to provide ventilation and fresh air. Tubular skylights feature a small dome on the roof that captures sunlight and channels it down a reflective tube to illuminate the room below. When you consider your price estimating, consider these general tips. Always factor in a contingency fund to cover unexpected expenses or changes to the scope of work. Obtain all necessary permits before starting the project to avoid delays and fines. Protect your property by covering floors, furniture, and landscaping before work begins. Communicate clearly with the contractor throughout the project to address any concerns or questions. Inspect the completed work carefully before making the final payment. Obtain copies of all warranties and documentation for future reference. Keep detailed records of all payments and communications related to the project. By following these guidelines, you can navigate the process of residential opening installations in Chicago with confidence and ensure a successful outcome. The most accurate way to determine opening prices is to reach out to Chicago area contractors to get a feel for what they're charging. Doing a bit of research on your own also helps to gauge what to pay.